Hello sea urchins and welcome to my channel! We're gonna do a makeup tutorial. Alright, but like for real, we're gonna start this tutorial off with some primer. You take it, put it on your face, smooth it out with a circle brush like so. Next up, we're gonna use our foundation. I like to use the NYX Total Control. I think I did like 5 drops. I don't know, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, smooth it out with a nice fluffy circle brush. Give it a little once over to make sure it looks good. There we go. Next we're going to use the Profusion Wonderlust eyeshadow palette. The first color we're going to use is a nice pretty matte purple called Regal. As you can see, we're going to put that on our eyelid. Not on the brow bone though, just on the lattiest part of the lid. Yeah. Then we're going to check it out. Do a little check. Looks good. Next we are going to use this shimmery light purple, Nimbus. And we're going to put that on the upper eyelid and the brow bone, and then just do a quick sweep over the other eyeshadow to give it a nice shimmer and a little bit of depth. Sparkling. Yeah, we're going to check it out. See, that looks great. I love it. Next up, we're going to apply the green Hypnotic shimmery eyeshadow on the lower lid. Check it out. Looks good. Make sure it's nice and neat. And then we are going to apply the Illusion shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corners of our eyes to give it a nice highlight. I don't really have anything to say for this part, just like watch what I'm doing and do it. Pretty simple. There we go. See, it's coming together. Looks good. Lots of colors, Ariel colors. Next we're going to apply our blush. I'm using an e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going to use this nice pink shade and apply it on my cheeks and my cheekbones. Tiny bit heavy because we're trying to look really princessy and, you know, extra. See, look at that. Looks good. Give it a little check. Next we're going to apply the Purple Ashes Wet n Wild highlighting powder along our cheekbones, the tip of our nose, and the bridge of our nose so that we're extra super shimmery and sparkly like we live underwater. Yay! Yeah, I don't know. Looks good. Next I'm going to apply some red matte lipstick. You should know how to apply lipstick, so I'm not going to explain that. You put it on your lips. It's really simple. See? But I like to be extra and super shiny, so we're also going to put some shimmery purple lip gloss on top of that. And just apply it like so. Simple. Yay, look at it. Sparkly. I love it. Now we're going to apply our eyeliner. We're going to do simple winged eyeliner using the Starlit Studios felt tip eyeliner. And just apply it like so. There we go. It is coming together. Next up, we're going to use mascara. I like to use the Falsies mascara because I don't always feel like putting on false lashes, and this gets the job done because it makes your lashes look very long and it's waterproof. And I will show you how cool it looks in a second. See? Look at that. Look at how long and full they look. Yay. Also, my highlight looks really good here. I'm excited. We're almost there. Next up, we're going to use our costume lenses. These are the Sweetie Anime in blue. I'll have a link for these in the description, but I love them because they have a lot of like glimmers and like different shades of blue in them. They look very cartoony, which is what I like when I'm doing cosplay makeup. Next up, we're going to put on our wig. Nice red wig and Ariel's signature hairstyle with her bangs. And then we are done. I also put on some body glitter. But yeah, that's it. I'll have the links for all of the makeup in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.